Welcome, welcome, welcome. Woo woo! We're doing multiplying radicals today because we think that's fun. Yes, we do. All right, again, these are your radicals right here. Yep. And my dog's kind of glad I'm doing this so that I'm not shaving her down. So you're welcome. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I could go ahead and simplify these first, but I might as well just go ahead and multiply them out first, then simplify them down. So this is going to be square root of 2 times 8, which is 16, and then a cubed times a squared is a to the 5th. All right, that makes it to where this right here, I don't even have to worry about that because I know what the square root of 16 is. It's 4. So I can bring a 4 out. All right, then right here with the a to the 5th, I'm going to write him out 5 times. 3. Okay, and remember I'm looking for sets of 2. So there's a set there, and there's a set there. So that means a squared comes out here, and inside just leaves me with a plain old ordinary a. I know that looks like a 9, but it's not. It's an a. Okay? All right, let's do this one over here. Now, remember, this guy's got a 5 out front of him, so he's going to hang out there. And then we've got 3 times 24. Now, I'm going to look at that right there, and you can go ahead and multiply it out or whatever you want to. I know that that's going to get kind of big, so I'm just going to go ahead and do like this. I'm going to say 3 times 24, and then B is right there. Now, if you want to, you can come over here and go ahead and do out your 24, factor it out. 2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. So that's going to leave me with 5, 3, and then here's a 3 to here, so I'm going to go ahead and put him up there. And then how many 2s? 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2. All right. Remember, there's a squared right there, so I'm going to have to get sets of 2. I have to get pairs. So that leaves me with 5 times 3. Don't look at this. Don't look, man behind the curtain. Times 3 times 2, and the square root of 2 is left over. So 5 times 2 is 10, times 3 is 30, square root of 2. And that's my final answer. All right? Yay. All right, let's come over here to this one. Okay. So this one is going to be 2, oh, wait a minute. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and multiply these out front. So 2 times 4b, leave that there, square root. Now, if you want to just go ahead and break them down, you can. You want to multiply them together, then break them down, you can. You want to look at that and say, oh, wait a minute, I already know what the square root of 100 is. It's 10. You can do that as well. Hopefully you know that. I'm going to pretend that you already know that. So I'm going to bring that 10 out here. If you don't know it, you can come over here and do your prime factorization. And then I'm going to realize, oh snap, that's a perfect square, so I'm done. But if you didn't want to do that, you could have done this. And so seeing that you had a pair of 2s and a pair of 5s. Works out either way. All right, so I'm going to take this 12 and I'm going to break him down into 2 times, didn't we do that earlier? We've done it a million times, but let's do it again. 3 times 4 times 2 times 2. Alexa, volume 2. All right. Maybe I need to do volume 1. Alexa, volume 1. Okay, so here's a pair that comes out. So I'm going to multiply him by 2. Okay, got it? Now, I'm going to say 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 10 is 160. If you don't know that, put it in your calculator. Ta-da! Yay me! Yay me! Oh, let's change songs, okay? Alexa, play songs by Garth Brooks. See, I'm still hoping that my Garth Brooks concert comes back. He's rescheduled it, so hopefully. All right, so 27, we're going to come over here and fix that. So we got 2 times. I don't need to do a times right there. The cube root. Now remember, this time we're looking for cube root, so we're looking for sets of 3. So we got 27. 3 times 9 times 3 times 3. Hey, there you go. There's a set. So it's 3 times 3 times 3 times B. All right, there's a set, so it's going to come out to be 2 times... Hey, that's Robinson High School. Guess they're making a little announcement. There you go. And B's left in there. So, see the 3 comes out. It's a set of 3. It's a trip. And so we got right there. And so that's going to be 6 square root of B. Is your answer. Okay? All right, now I'm going to look at this one right here. Now again, on this one, since we have 2 of them like this, we could go ahead and multiply these together, or we could just go ahead and break it all out. Whatever you want to do, no wrong way. Just make sure you're doing it. Okay, remember this is to the 4th power right here. So I got 32 over here. And we got 32 is 4 times 8. 2 times 2. 4 times 2 times 2 times 2. We got a bunch of 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And then over here on 3, he's just left as he is. Now on this A, we've got, I know, if you want to, you can go ahead and do this. You can say A to the 4th times A to the 1st. See, 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. However you want to do this, you want to write it out A 5 times, circle it, no problem. So there's that. There's a set of 4. So he's coming out. Times 2. Then one of these sets, this is a set of 4, so 1 is coming out. And then we're going to see what's left over. So this comes out. So we have a 2 times a 3 times an A left over in there. Okay, figure that out for just a second. Okay, 6 times 2 is 12. A times A is A squared. And that leaves me inside 6A. And the crowd goes wild. See? Wasn't that awesome? Ta-da! Okay, that one was a quick video. Hopefully you guys got it really, really easily. And yell at me if you need my help.